In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a calendar using Outlook. This quick and easy process will take just about 5 minutes, and by the end you'll have a beautifully printed calendar in your hands. So let's dive right into it. To begin, you'll want to open Microsoft Outlook. Outlook is an essential tool for managing your emails and calendars, and it can be accessed via your web browser or desktop app. Head over to the Microsoft Outlook website or open your desktop application to start. Once you have Outlook open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a sign-in option. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your email and password. Please take a moment to carefully enter these details to access your Outlook account. If you've forgotten your password, there should be options provided to reset it easily. After successfully signing in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice several navigation links. Look for the one labeled Calendar. Clicking on it will open your calendar, displaying your scheduled events and tasks. Now that you're in the calendar view, you'll see a print option. Locate this by looking towards the menu bar, usually positioned at the top or on the side depending on your Outlook version. Click on the print selection and it will open a new window dedicated to print settings. In this print settings window, you have the flexibility to choose which calendar view you would like to print. Depending on your needs, you might prefer a day view, which focuses on a single day, a week view to see all tasks scheduled for the current week, or a month view for a broader perspective. Take a moment to select the view that best meets your needs. With your preferred calendar view chosen, you're almost ready to print. Head back to the print dialog and click on print one more time to finalize your printing instructions. Make sure your printer is connected and set up properly, otherwise your document won't print as expected. It's worth waiting for a quick review of the print preview, ensuring that all your events are displayed correctly and the page layout suits your needs. If it looks good, hit the final print option and that calendar should be ready in a few moments. And there you have it, your calendar is all set and printed. Keep it handy on your desk or attach it to a board for easy reference. With your Outlook calendar printed, you can stay organized and have a clear view of your schedule at any time. Thanks for watching, and feel free to share this tutorial with anyone else who might find it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and informative tutorials. See you in the next video.